Finally, the fourth component of comfort, visual comfort. This is in part practical, in part aesthetic, and includes artificial lighting, daylighting, and creating visually interesting environments. There are a number of lighting strategies that you can employ to create a high-quality visual environment. Some recommendations are: provide lighting controls that optimize the balance between daylighting and artificial lighting. You can increase the perceived space brightness by lighting vertical surfaces. One idea is the use of sconces. Balance the quantity of light with the quality of light in all work areas. In other words, carefully plan the placement of lighting fixtures. For comfort, it's important to control ceiling lighting glare. And to make work areas more comfortable, provide user-controlled task lighting at workstations. Remember, lighting needs change over time, so design lighting with flexibility in mind. Whenever possible, integrate natural lighting into your plans. Studies have shown that natural lighting affects people's moods as well as their comfort levels. So provide as much daylight as possible. But while you're doing that, you should avoid excessive heat loss and gain by specifying spectrally selective coatings on windows, low-E coatings. Designing passive shading will make the interior spaces thermally more comfortable. In addition, it's important to control window glare with window coverings. Overlaying all of these principles is the need for aesthetics, designing for visual interest. So whenever possible, provide a view of outdoors, as well as access to outdoors. Try to include natural environments between the interior and exterior. Bring a little nature to the indoors. There are many tools to choose from. Balance the use of such elements as scale, color, texture, and pattern, as well as artwork and plants to create visual interest. Conversely, don't be boring. Avoid uniformity and avoid visual chaos. Keep designs clean and simple. For more information, we can recommend these publications: The Whole Building Design Guide, Daylighting, DOE Buildings Technology Program, Integrated Building Design, the website of the Illuminating Engineering Society of North America, the website of the Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute's Lighting Research Center, also the websites of the Energy Center of Wisconsin Daylighting Collaborative, and the Lawrence Berkeley National Laboratory Windows and Daylighting Group.